Hi, this is Mohammed from Global Techs, and in this video, I will showcase you the part 1 of Odoo WooCommerce connector, where we will be covering different areas such as creating WooCommerce instance, creating secret keys from WooCommerce, creating shops, and managing the workflows in Odoo. So let's start with the creating WooCommerce instance in Odoo. So here you can see we have different modules available with us in Odoo, and we have the WooCommerce connector also. So here we will initiate with creating the WooCommerce instances in Odoo. So we have already created one instance, but let me just showcase you how to create a new instance. You can click on the create button, and here you can see you can put the name of your instance. So let me just put it as global text, and then you can put the location, which will be the link. So let me just copy and paste it, and there are two keys, which is consumer key and secret key, that needs to be generated from WooCommerce website. So let's go in the backend of WooCommerce, and from here I will go into the WooCommerce and settings and click on API. You need to enable the REST API, and after that you will see that there is one key and app button. Once you click on that, you can generate your key. We have already created this key in WooCommerce, so you can click on the add key button. As soon as you do that, you can put the description, you can see the username, and you can add the permission such as read and write both. So let's put the description here, and after putting the description, you can click on generate API key, and the key will get generated from WooCommerce. And after generating those keys, here you can see you can copy this consumer key and consumer secret, and you can put here in Odoo. Once you do that, you can just simply click on the check connection button. After checking the connection, it will go into the connected stage. So let's discard this and show you the connected already instance which we have created. So after creating the instance, you can see that this is the example which we have done. Once you create this instance and connect it, you can now create shops. You can click on create shop button, and here you can see we have the WooCommerce test shop available, which we have created. So let's go into edit mode to define more functionality about this shop. You can put the name, then you get the WooCommerce information. After that, there is configuration part, where you have the products, where you can just set up whether you want to create new product. If new product is not in the system while importing of order, you can just checkbox it as per your requirement. And apart from that, there is a shipment fee part, which you can just select as per your requirement. Then there is gift wrapper fee, which you can select it. So this is basically as per your requirement, you can select it. We'll provide you training also once you purchase the connector, how to set up everything. Like there is another part which is stock configuration. You can simply see that it will update the inventory. Then there is warehouse part, where you can manage single warehouse, or you can create a new warehouse. You can manage multiple warehouse if you have any. Then we have order configuration, where you can just put the prefix for all your WooCommerce uh, management. So we have just added wo and underscore. Then there is suffix which you can set up, and you can also set up the default customer from here. So whoever the default customer, it will be guest right now. Then you can manage multi-company in case you are using multi-company. So right now there is only one single company, which is my company. And we also have the sales journal, which you can select. And there is one part which I will discuss in detail, which is the order workflow. This will be the last part of this video, which needs more attention and details. Order workflow, which you can manage your own workflows in Odoo. So after order workflow, we have the scheduler configuration where you can just checkbox it whether you want auto import of order, products, inventory, state, order status, product data, and so on. This also can be done based on the scheduler timing. So we have the WooCommerce information where you can see the last WooCommerce product attributes, import, and product import date, and so on. So these are the information is there. We'll go into the second part, which is initial import. Here you can click on the initial synchronization which needs to be done when you install this module for the first time. We have importing of product attribute, category, product, inventory, customer, career, and import of order. So this needs to be done only when you install the connector for the first time. So once you are completed with this part, we'll go into the workflow part. So here I told you that I will be showcasing you the detail of order workflow. So let's go into the workflow. Okay, and will showcase you how to manage your own workflows in Odoo. So this is the already created workflow. You can put the name of your workflow. Then we have other details also available. So we have shipment and order, where you can set your shipping policies. Then here we have deliver each product when available. You can checkbox on validating the order once it is placed in WooCommerce, whether you want to validate the order, or we have the invoicing policies also, where you can directly create the invoice in Odoo. You can directly validate the invoice and you can register the payment, or if you want directly to complete the shipment. These are the things are available. Then invoicing policy, we have three different criteria. You can select any one of them based on your requirements. Okay, so this was about the basic workflow of Odoo WooCommerce connector. So once you install this connector, we will showcase you how to set up and other details also. So this was all about the basic of Odoo WooCommerce connector. We'll be coming up with our second video where we'll be showcasing more detail. Uh, Thank you for watching this video. For more information, you can email us on sales@globaltext.com. Thank you.